Hello everyone. Let us now discuss how can we solve this problem. Plus one, that's an easy problem for this. First, first Jan 2026, right? So you are given a large integer represented as an integer array digits, where each digits I is the ith digit of the integer. The digits are ordered from most significant to least significant in left to right order. Nothing but this means it is 1 to 3. Right? I think you understood. Now the large integer does not contain any leading zeros. Right? Okay. Increment the large integer by 1 and return the resulting array of digits. Let me tell you, here I have a 1, 2, 3. Right? Let me take that example. Firstly, I have wait a second, 1 comma 2 comma 3, this as the digits. It will be in a form like 123. Now 123 plus 1 will give me 124, right? But what if I don't create any new array and just return the last element itself, right? If I just incremented this from the last 1, 2, I have a 3, right? So instead of 3, I will just increment it to 1, increment by 1, and I would get 1 to 4. But it is not just as simple as that. Let us take an example 1, 2, and then 9. Now, it is not lesser than, you know, if it is lesser than 9, I would just increment it by 1 and just return 1, 2, 4 there itself. But it is not lesser than 9, it is 9 itself. So what I have to do is 130 should be the answer. What if I just make this as 0, as it is not lesser than 9, then go to the previous element, which is 2, and it is lesser than 9, so increment it by 1 and I would get 130, which is what I want, right? So our algorithm is such a simple thing, right? If I have 1 2 9 and then a 9, let me tell you how do I solve this. So 9, as it is 9, I would change it to 0. As it is 9, I would change it to 0. It is lesser than 9, so I would increment it by 1 and I would get 1300. It is the same, 1299 plus 1 is 1300. But what if I have 9 9 and then 9? No number or no digit is lesser than 9, so at this point of time it will be becoming 0, it will be becoming a 0, it will be becoming a 0. What I would do here is I would just create an array new number with size n plus 1 comma 0, and the first, n plus 1, what is n plus 1, right? There will be an array with the size. What is the size of this array, created array? Given array is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, so I would be having 4. And as I have created, every number is initialized to 0. Now I would change new number of 0 is equal to 1. I have just changed it to 1. It is the same, 999 plus 1 is 1000. So how do I write this? N is equal to digits dot size. Now I would start from for I is equal to n minus 1, I is greater than or equal to 0, I plus plus. If digits of I, if digits of I is lesser than 9, then I would just increment digits of I plus plus and return digits there itself, right? Now if it is not lesser than 9, then it will be however 9, so I would just change digits of I to 0, right? So how does it work? I'll tell you how does it work for taking an example 1 2 9, right? So this is the array. Now if digits of 9 is lesser than 9, I would decrement or just increment the element, but it is not lesser than 9. If condition will not be satisfied, then digits of I is 0, so it is changed to 0. Now my iterator I is here, if digits of I is lesser than 9, digits I plus plus, so it will be incremented and return digits. This will be 1 3 0 will be returned. Now there is another example. Let's just take 999. So what will be here? So that's why I have just created new number, right? So vector of int new number of size n plus 1 comma 0, and new number of 0 is changed to 1. New number of 0 is changed to 1, and we'll just return new number. That's how, wait a second, new number. That's how you solve this problem. And if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Right, new number will be 0000, and I'll be changing it to 1, so 1000. Thanks for watching this video.